In this video, you will know exactly how to use ChatGPT's newest image generator to create the most attention-grabbing thumbnail to increase your click-through rate with just a simple prompt. So for this example, we already have a prompt ready to go. So let's copy and paste that right in here. Create a YouTube thumbnail that can clearly visually illustrate the results of using DeepSeek to generate $10,000 in 1 week and only have 3 elements on the thumbnail to get the point across. The title of the YouTube video will be How DeepSeek Skyrocketed My Earnings. But don't repeat the title on the thumbnail. Instead, use other words that can clearly help communicate the shocking emotion of using DeepSeek. And that's going to skyrocket our click-through rate, and hopefully the image comes out perfect. So let's hit enter and see what we get. For this, ChatGPT actually broken my prompt down into several bullet points to highlight exactly what I am looking for. Use a bright, high contrast color, all caps. This immediately communicates the results without repeating the title. Something like $10,000 in 7 days. Big, bold text. Adding faces with reactions. Something like that. Adding a logo. And let's see what ChatGPT can come up with. As you can see, this image right here, you got this person with a shocking facial expression, and $10,000 in 7 days is pretty legible. And you got this laptop with this brain coming out of it, with money flying out, and it says DeepSeek. Now the problem right now is that the logo for DeepSeek isn't exactly correct, so let's try this again. Click on the select tool and highlight the DeepSeek. I want you to get a more accurate DeepSeek logo. And let's see if ChatGPT is willing to provide a more accurate logo for DeepSeek, since they are competitors. So the logo isn't exactly perfect, so what we can do is to actually just remove it. And let's see what this does. Remove the DeepSeek logo. What we're going to do is just get a clean image, and we're going to just go take this image. Okay, I think at the time of making this video, ChatGPT has already updated the system that's preventing people from directly creating logos, because they were perfect when they first came out. Now I think they're gonna just take a step back, because creating super accurate logos might be a copyright issue. So we cannot generate accurate logo for DeepSeek. Some of the prompt won't even let me remove a logo. So what we're gonna do is just create a thumbnail without anything, and then we're gonna just do some post-processing on Canva or Photoshop to make it happen. But anyway, now if you want to reference an image that you want to copy, now if you want to create a thumbnail by referencing another image, watch this one next.